Welcome to this video, and in this video we'll show you how to read relationships from Salesforce. So in the last video we created account, contact and case, and I'll show you what it looks like in Salesforce right now. So if I go back to my account, I've got this account here called Salesforce Multiple Relationships, and it's got one contact linked to it called contact relationship, and then it's got one case linked to it, which is also a contact relationship case. Now, it would be awesome if I can show you guys how these three can be displayed in Form Titan. So let's go and show you. So what I would like to do is display account, then its related contact because there's only one, and then its related case because also there's only one. And I want to show some details in here. So what details do I want to show here? Well, I want to show the account name, prospect rating. For contact, I want to show full name and email. And then for case, I want to show case number and the other details. So let's get started. I'll quickly just get one field and we'll call this field case number. Okay, first thing we're going to do is do a get. Now, you can do a get in a multiple different ways. So let me show you. So for example, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to bring back, and we're going to read from account. Okay. Now the condition is going to be account name must equal my account name in the form. Okay. If that happens, it will bring the related data, which is account name and its prospect rating. That's all I'm mapping right now. Okay, so once I've done that, let's go ahead and preview this. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just type in this, copy it, and paste it in here, and it's going to do a get. And you can see the prospect rating, it's hot, so it's brought back its related details. Okay, now what if we wanted to show the contact details that is linked to this account? How do we do that? Okay, we go into the get, and under here I will click plus, and I'll say show me the contact. What I'm saying here is I want to bring back contact, but my condition is that in the contact the account ID must match the account ID in number one parent, which is number one account. Okay, and then I'm only bringing back the first one. So if you want to bring back multiple, you can just click all or last, and then I'll just simply map the fields, which is first name, last name, and email. Okay, let's see how this works. Save, preview, and I'm going to type in my account name, and look at that, it's brought back the details. Now we want to do the same for the case, right? So I want to be able to see the case related to this account and the contact. So how do I do that? Okay, well let me show you. Now we're going to the get. Now we're going to say add object. We're going to say show me from case. I want to bring back from case. And then here's a condition. I'm going to say my contact ID must equal my contact one. So actually let me do it a little bit differently here. If I disconnect this, and I'm only going to do this for demonstration purposes, and then even in here I can just say the same thing, account ID equals number one, which is, where are you? Condition, account ID must equal account. Move this underneath it. There we go, much better. Okay, so again, account ID, and then if I do underneath here, I can do a case, and then the condition will be automatically written for you. Contact ID equals contact ID, and then I can add a new condition. I can say and account ID must equal account, and then we say account ID. Okay, so what we're saying is I want to look into the case object, I want to see the case details, but the condition on that will be that the contact ID must equal the 1.1 contact ID, and the account ID must equal the account ID. So if I click apply, and I'm only bringing back the first, let's go ahead and map the field. So we'll do status, we'll do origin, and we'll do number. Okay, if I apply and finish and save, look what happens if I paste it here. Look at that, all the details are there. So that's how simple it is to read relationships from Salesforce. You just have to be able to manipulate the IDs and understand how it all links together, and then make sure that they are nested correctly so you can read from Salesforce correctly. And this is my nesting. This is how it looks like. You've got account, then you've got breakdown of contact, then case, but I've also made sure that I'm also linking to the account as well. Okay, and that's how it's done.